Most men think waking up to pee at night is just part of getting older. But here's the truth. If you're getting up 2, 3, 4 times a night, something is off. And it's not just your bladder. The good news? In most cases, you don't need medication, you don't need surgery, and you don't need to just live with it. Today I'm going to show you 5 simple, easy changes that can dramatically reduce nighttime urination in just days. Stay with me, because method 4 is the one almost every man gets wrong. Nighttime peeing, also called nocturia, usually isn't caused by a weak bladder. It's caused by hormone timing, fluid redistribution, prostate pressure, blood sugar spikes, and nervous system overactivation. Which means the solution isn't complicated, it's strategic. Let's start with the easiest win. 1. Stop drinking too late. But do it properly. Most men here don't drink water at night, so they panic, they dehydrate, and still wake up to pee. Here's the smarter approach. Front-load your fluids earlier in the day. Drink most of your water before 6 p.m., not all day long, not right before bed. And here's the key detail most men miss. If you don't hydrate enough earlier, your body overcompensates at night, pulling fluid from tissues back into circulation, straight to your bladder. Result? You wake up anyway. Hydrate earlier. Taper later. Don't cut water completely. Quick check. If you're already thinking, I barely drink at night and I still wake up. Good. That tells me you need the next 2 steps, because this is where most men actually fix the problem. 2. Elevate your legs for 15 minutes each evening. This sounds almost too simple, but it works, especially if you sit a lot during the day. Here's what happens. Fluid pools up in your legs and lower body while you're upright. When you lie down to sleep, that fluid rushes back into circulation, and your kidneys turn it into urine. The fix? Lie down and elevate your legs for 12-15 minutes. Lie down on your back, on the floor, or on your bed. Raise your legs against a wall and hold it for up to 15 minutes. Do this in the evening, before bed, before sleep. This allows your body to process that fluid before you lie down for the night. Many men cut nighttime bathroom trips in half just from this single action. And no, this isn't a maybe it helps a little tip. Doctors use this exact principle in clinical settings. But the next one is where most men unknowingly sabotage themselves every single night. 3. Stop eating close to bedtime. Late night eating is a silent trigger for night peeing, especially sugary foods, refined carbs, alcohol. Why? Because blood sugar spikes increase urine production and irritate the bladder. And alcohol? It shuts down the hormone that normally tells your kidneys to hold on to water. Rule of thumb. No heavy meals or alcohol within 3 hours of bed. If you must eat, keep it. Light. Protein-based. Low sugar. This alone can dramatically reduce nighttime urgency. Quick pause. Here's something worth looking into. Did you know your enlarged prostate might be caused by hidden clog inside it? That's right. Scientists from Fukushima University of Japan just proved this silent clog is the real cause of BPH, known as enlarged prostate, in millions of men all over the world. The unpleasant clog slows down circulation, causes cells to build up, and enlarges your prostate, blocking your pipes, squeezing your bladder, and making your life hell. But the good news is, doctors in a tiny corner of Southeast Asia pioneered a powerful spring water juice that dissolves this clog, flushes out dead cells, and shrinks your prostate fast. Men in the islands of Southeast Asia have the smallest prostates in the world. It's all because of the unusual spring water juice they drink each morning. It gets to work dissolving clog, boosting circulation, and firing up libido again, helping you enjoy a healthy, strong flow, easy bathroom visits, and deep, restful sleeps every night. It's easy to do. You can make it from home in a few minutes, and it helps relieve your inflamed prostate in days. Find out more about this amazing remedy. There's a link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Check it out. It might be the very thing you've been looking for. Okay, let's get back to our topic. Now, this next one doesn't involve food, water, or your prostate at all. But if you skip it, everything else becomes harder. 4. Fix your evening breathing. This is huge. This is the one almost nobody talks about. If you're stressed, anxious, or breathing shallowly at night, your body stays in fight or flight mode. That tells your bladder, empty now. Do this instead. Spend 5 minutes before bed breathing slowly through your nose. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Slow. Controlled. Calm. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the one responsible for rest, repair, and bladder control. Men who fix this often notice immediate improvement. This isn't meditation. It isn't relaxation fluff. It's direct nervous system control, and it changes how your bladder behaves at night. One final habit ties everything together. 5. Train your bladder. Don't panic pee. Many men pee just in case before bed. That actually trains your bladder to signal urgency too early. Instead, pee normally before bed. Don't force it. Don't hover. Don't strain. And if you wake up with a mild urge, pause for 60 seconds before jumping up. You're teaching your bladder that not every signal is an emergency. Important note for men. If you're waking up 5+ times per night or experiencing burning pain, blood sudden worsening, that's not something to ignore. Get checked. But for most men, these lifestyle shifts are enough to create real relief. Closing thoughts. Nighttime peeing isn't a life sentence. It's a signal, and signals can be corrected. If this helped you, like the video so more men see it. Subscribe for calm, evidence-based guidance that actually works. And check the pinned comment. I've left a simple prostate and sleep support resource there that many men find helpful. Sleep through the night. Wake up stronger. Now watch this video for more revealing content on men's health and well-being.